If you're thinking about decorating for Easter and you really want to make an impact in your home, let me tell you something very important. Never underestimate the power of a beautiful centerpiece. When people walk into your dining room or see your table set for brunch, the very first thing their eyes are drawn to is the center of the table. That focal point sets the tone for everything else. It creates atmosphere, emotion, and even memories. Easter is not just another holiday. It's a celebration of renewal, hope, light, fresh beginnings, and the beauty of spring. Your centerpiece can reflect all of that in a simple yet powerful way. The importance of Easter centerpiece decor ideas goes far beyond just making the table look nice. It's about creating a warm environment where family and friends feel welcome, inspired, and emotionally connected. One of the biggest advantages of decorating with a thoughtful centerpiece is that it instantly elevates your entire space. Even if the rest of your dining area is simple, a well-designed centerpiece can make everything look intentional and styled. You don't need to completely renovate your home or buy expensive furniture. Sometimes a few carefully chosen decorative elements in the center of your table can completely transform the vibe. Another huge benefit is that centerpieces allow you to express creativity without overwhelming the space. Unlike decorating an entire room, which can feel expensive and time-consuming, a centerpiece is manageable. You can experiment with colors, textures, heights, and themes in a smaller area. If you love pastel tones, you can incorporate soft pinks, baby blues, mint greens, and gentle yellows. If you prefer a more natural look, you can focus on earthy textures like wood, linen, and fresh greenery. When thinking about ideas, always start with a theme. A cohesive theme makes everything look intentional rather than random. For Easter, popular themes include rustic farmhouse, elegant spring garden, minimalist neutral, vintage charm, or even playful and colorful for families with kids. Once you decide on a theme, everything becomes easier because you know what direction to follow. Florals are one of the most classic elements for an Easter centerpiece. Fresh flowers instantly bring life to your table. Tulips, lilies, daisies, and hydrangeas are perfect choices because they represent spring and renewal. If fresh flowers are not available, high-quality artificial florals can work beautifully too. The key is arrangement. Instead of placing flowers in a simple vase and calling it done, consider layering. Use a wooden tray, add candles, maybe some decorative eggs, and then incorporate your floral arrangement to create depth. Speaking of decorative eggs, they are iconic for Easter and can be styled in sophisticated ways. You don't have to stick with bright plastic eggs. Think about painted wooden eggs, ceramic eggs, or even real eggs dyed in soft pastel tones. You can place them in a glass bowl, scatter them along a runner, or display them inside a decorative nest for a natural touch. One major advantage of decorating your Easter centerpiece is that it encourages togetherness. When your table looks inviting, people naturally want to gather around it. It creates a space where conversations flow, laughter feels warmer, and meals feel more meaningful. The environment we create influences the experience we have. A thoughtfully decorated table tells your guests that you care about the moment. If you want to add a personal touch, consider DIY elements. Handmade name cards, small baskets for each guest, or mini floral jars at each place setting can make everyone feel special. These small gestures don't require a big budget, but they leave a lasting impression. For those who prefer a more elegant style, consider a monochromatic centerpiece. Choose one color family, such as soft whites and creams, and layer different textures within that palette. This approach feels sophisticated and timeless. Add subtle gold or silver accents for a refined finish. If your audience includes children, you can make the centerpiece playful without losing style. Incorporate cute bunny figurines, colorful eggs, and maybe even small chocolate treats displayed beautifully. The key is balance. Keep it coordinated so it feels joyful but not chaotic. Another important tip is proportion. Always consider the size of your table. A large rectangular table can handle a longer arrangement or multiple grouped centerpieces spaced evenly. A small round table looks best with one central arrangement that isn't too wide. Oversized decor on a small table can feel cramped, while tiny decor on a large table can look lost. Budget is something many people worry about, but beautiful centerpieces don't have to be expensive. You can repurpose items you already have at home. Glass jars can become vases. A wooden cutting board can become a base. Even branches from your garden can become part of a natural spring arrangement. Creativity matters more than cost. And something else I really want you to keep in mind is that an Easter centerpiece doesn't just decorate a table. It tells a story. It can reflect your personality, your traditions, and even your family values. Maybe in your home Easter is deeply spiritual and meaningful, or maybe it's more about spring, family brunch, and joyful colors. Your centerpiece can visually communicate that message without you saying a single word. If Easter has a strong spiritual meaning for you, you can incorporate subtle symbolic elements in an elegant way. A simple white floral arrangement paired with soft candles can represent purity and renewal. You could add a delicate cross in the background or use neutral tones that feel peaceful and serene. The key is subtlety. You want the message to feel natural and harmonious, not overwhelming. If your style is more seasonal and spring-focused, then lean into the freshness of the season. Think blooming branches in a tall vase, moss accents, woven baskets, and soft fabrics. Natural textures create a feeling of calm and authenticity. Even something as simple as placing small potted plants in the center of the table can feel modern and refreshing. And the beautiful part is that after Easter, you can move those plants around your home and continue enjoying them. Now let's talk about layering, because layering is what takes a centerpiece from basic to stunning. Start with your base like a table runner. Then add a central element, maybe a floral arrangement or a decorative tray. After that, build around it with smaller accents like candles, eggs, figurines, or greenery. When you layer thoughtfully, your table feels dynamic and styled instead of flat and one-dimensional. Another great idea is symmetry. If you love a clean and balanced look, try placing 2 matching candle holders on each side of a central floral arrangement. Or create 2 mirrored clusters on a long table. Symmetry creates elegance and visual harmony, especially if you prefer a more refined aesthetic. On the other hand, if you love a more relaxed, organic look, go for asymmetry. Cluster elements in a way that feels natural, almost like they were casually placed but still intentional. For example, you could group a vase of flowers slightly off-center and balance it with a smaller cluster of candles and decorative eggs on the opposite side. This creates movement and visual interest. Let's also talk about texture, because texture is often what makes decor feel rich and layered. Combine smooth ceramic eggs with soft linen runners. Pair glass vases with rough wooden trays. Mix shiny metallic candle holders with matte pastel decorations. When you blend textures, your centerpiece looks more sophisticated and thoughtfully designed. If you want your Easter table to feel luxurious without spending a lot of money, focus on details. Fold your napkins beautifully and place a small decorative egg or sprig of greenery on top. Add ribbon around your candle holders. Tie twine around small jars. It's the small touches that elevate everything. And don't forget scent. This is something many people overlook. A lightly scented candle with a fresh spring fragrance can completely enhance the experience. Imagine your guests sitting down at a beautifully decorated table, surrounded by soft colors and gentle candlelight, and they also smell a fresh floral or clean linen scent. That combination creates a memory. Decor is not only about what we see, but also what we feel and smell. Another advantage of investing time in your Easter centerpiece is that it encourages creativity within your family. If you have children, invite them to paint eggs or help arrange flowers. If you enjoy DIY projects, create handmade bunny figurines or custom centerpieces from recycled materials. It becomes an experience, not just a decoration. And those shared moments are priceless. For those of you who create content or love sharing on social media, a beautiful centerpiece also becomes a visual highlight. It photographs beautifully, especially in natural light. It can inspire others and even become part of your home's signature style. One important piece of advice is to avoid overcrowding. Sometimes we get excited and want to use every cute decoration we find. But remember, breathing space is important. Allow empty areas so your centerpiece can truly shine. Too many items can feel cluttered and chaotic. Choose your favorite pieces and let them stand out. Ultimately, the biggest benefit of Easter centerpiece decor ideas is emotional impact. Decor is not just visual, it's experiential. When your table reflects care, beauty, and intention, it enhances the celebration. It turns a simple meal into a memorable occasion. So when you're planning your Easter decor this year, don't overlook the center of your table. Think about the mood you want to create. Think about the message you want to send. Whether it's elegance, warmth, playfulness, or simplicity, your centerpiece is your opportunity to express it. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about creating a space where love, hope, and new beginnings can be celebrated together. And sometimes, all it takes is one beautifully styled centerpiece to make that magic happen.